some people might wish for a beverage to go with this.
Absolutely, I think we got them taken care of. This is
I'm
going to
step
be
over here.
the easiest drink that we can put together. We're going to make a coconut cucumber chiller. It's just going to be a couple very easy ingredients. So first and foremost, you have your coconut water. This is going to be your base. You just dump this into our pitcher here. And what we're going to do is we're going to make this in advance and we're going to let it sit for about 1 or 2 hours. You want the flavor to come out of the cucumber and the mint to really get in here. Not coconut milk, coconut water. All right, and so we have about a half cup of lime juice. We're going to dump that in there. You can add sugar if you want. I'm not for today's purpose. We need to peel these 2 standard cucumbers. If you're using seedless at home, you can just leave the skin on. But for the sake of this here, we are going to peel these real fast. All right, so we got our cucumbers peeled. We are not going to de-seed them. And again, if you're using the seedless ones, you don't need to at all. But we're just going to thin slice these. And then we'll be adding them into the pitcher so that they can soak. And in here, again, we have the coconut water and we have half a cup of lime juice. Cucumber is such a light, delicate flavor. You need quite a bit. Just give it a quick stir to break it up. And then next we have a little bit of mint. And by cutting them, it's almost like muddling them. You're just releasing a little bit of that flavor.
Like we were making a mojito.
Exactly. And then you're going to want to let this sit in your fridge for 1 to 2 hours just to release as much flavor as you can. And what we're going to do is just pour this into our drink, our glasses, and we'll get to enjoy it. You could always pull out a piece of cucumber as a garnish. I'm not going to reach in there with my hands, and I don't have a glove. But if you're at home, obviously, do what you will. And then why not? For a little snaz, we'll just put a little leaf or little garnish, just to make it fancy. So here you go.
Thank you. Here's to summer. Here's to Ursuline.
Cheers.
Here's to Mets.
Cheers.
Thank you, Chef Tyler.
You're welcome. It's nice and light.
It's very good. And nice and cold.
So yeah, if you wanted to sweeten it up, you could with some sugar.
It's good this way. You don't even need that.